Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Vivo V21e. First of all, go into Play Store on both and get free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can always click on Not Now. Then, in order to close it, click on OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Vivo. Also on Vivo, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally tap on all of those categories located at the top. Then select multiple files from your category thanks to those type of dots, or just click on the chosen ones. I will go with this one photo. When you finished, click on Send next to select it. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key. Then choose while using or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. You can also just input this key in Input key section and tap on Receive button to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!